ready.
Okay, put it in your shoulder.
It's all ready?
Yeah. Put the rifle in your shoulder. Put it in there tight. Now look through the scope. Put the crosshairs on the pumpkin. Can you see the pumpkin?
Yeah.
Now slowly pull the trigger. Don't squeeze it. Don't jerk it. Just slowly squeeze it.
What?
Don't jerk your finger. Just slowly squeeze the trigger. Even steady pressure.
Did I hit it?
I don't know. Did you?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Well, here. You want me to pause it and we can go check? Or you want to take another shot?
I have the crosshairs on it, but I don't know if I'm hitting it.
Okay.